So here we go. I told you guys that I was going to get back on here and show you about those axle hubs that I got from Axial, and here we go. So there they are. This is my tester front axle. So everything is factory except these hubs. I exchanged them for the nylon, and with the nylon it's got the little what is that, octagon shaft that sticks out, and then it's got that ring that's, you know, built into this hub here, and that's all, essentially all I had to drill out was the width of that hub that sits around here. Fit in perfect, and you know, I can adjust out different hubs, whatever I need to do, and don't have to continue worrying about stripping out them nylon hubs against the wheel with these higher power motors. Allows me to run whatever whatever rim, actually I should say, that I want. I can just put whatever, you know, application that I need for the hub assembly for that rim right onto this, because it's a threaded and shafted end. I got a wheel on here just to show you guys. Turns nice and free, both ends, no problem. Steers to its max without, like I was telling you that I was having that issue. Due to this hub, this axle sitting in this hub flush at the back here, versus, it's kind of hard to see into this one. It's kind of recessed back about 1/4 of an inch, maybe less than that. Couple 1/16, 1/8 of an inch. Whereas these sit nice and flush. I mean, you couldn't have asked for a better fit. And it allowed me to do the extreme utmost that it will allow me for the turning. It's really nice. I'm gonna, like I said, this is just my tester. I wanted to see it without tearing apart mine first, and I'm going to throw those on there and be very pleased with it. The only other thing I'm going to do is, so I painted these hubs, and you know, do with the painting, I didn't tape off the inside, so they're a little squeaky with the metal rubbing on the fresh paint, but I don't think it'll be a big deal. I'm just going to throw some Vaseline in here to lube it up a little bit, and you know, keep the friction down. Yeah, I don't see any other issues aside from that. Can't wait to get them on. Again, these are axle part number AX3368. They are the 6x39mm. Come in a pair. You know, I think it was like $2, $3. Great little, you know, upgrade for your axles on these stock Maistios. And onto my Maistio here. I told you guys that I was going to be refurbishing that plate because the other one looked so hokey, and I did. I got a machine screw that I need to put in here instead of this guy. I was just, yeah, but it looks much better. Got some all thread in these joints here. This is a piece of fiberglass tubing. One of my daughter's old tents that we were going to throw away because it was shredded. The stand, it's like a tent stand, you know, the snap together things. Well, those are hollow and fiberglass. They're lightweight and straight and everything else, and work perfectly. Just threw that in there. Got it all attached up to my servo there. Put some plates back here because I cut all of that out. and that's just to keep, you know, major debris from going into where the transmission is for the drive transmission. Had to put this little plate on here because I ran my drag link here on the bottom due to the fact that just for steering angles and everything, it was just the easiest route to go. The only problem with that is that when I was crawling, I had hit it, and it really didn't really want to move past that point. So dug through my parts box there and pulled out the factory front skid plate off the Maisto. Did some heat bends on it, and you know, straightened it out first, and then did some heat bends just to cover this up here. No problems now. It hits this and slides up over it. No issues, ifs, ands, or buts about it. Works great. A little demonstration. Let's see here. Little demonstration. Works really well. Nice and you know, it'll push the stuff out of the way. So, until next time, questions, comments, talk to you later. Peace.